There are inexpensive personal size options that only whip up a couple drinks at a time, all the way up to massive drink freezers that can serve a party for a whole evening. There are many products available to choose margarita machines, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best margarita machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. The margarita has really turned into an entire business empire for Jimmy Buffett. You add liquid ingredients to the pitcher, and then the machine dispenses the exact right amount of ice for 1, 2, or 3 drinks. With the ability to shave and blend individually or do both at once, you can also achieve textures anywhere from spoonable slush to ice cold, not quite liquid you can suck up with a straw. It took the Key West just 20 seconds to blend a test batch of 3 margaritas, and the drinks had even, consistent, delicious texture. A reservoir attached to the ice hopper drains off meltage, which prevents watery drinks on your second and third batches. The machine performed just the same, with the shaving blade helping to break up any large ice bits that otherwise would wind up unblended. The pitcher's lid and lip make for effective, accurate, and drip-free pouring to boot. Number 2. Margarita Girl Single Bowl Mini-Size Margarita Slush Frozen Drink Machine. With an onboard compressor that chills and freezes the liquid inside, the Margarita Girl is the same kind of machine you might find behind the bar at your local Mexican restaurant or dispensing candy-colored slushies in a convenience store. It takes a long time for a full batch to freeze, though. You also have complete freedom to experiment with this machine. There are 2 temperature settings to play with, though the true key to proper texture is sugar content. A recipe has to contain about 15% sugar by weight in order to ensure good ice crystal consistency. Compressor-based margarita makers are much pricier than blender-style ones to begin with, and the Margarita Girl is a high-quality compressor machine. It's a major investment that will pay off in delicious refreshment. Number 3. Margaritaville Tahiti Margarita Machine. Margaritaville's Tahiti model works similarly to the Key West one above, with a large ice reservoir that empties into a blender pitcher. But this version features 3 separate pitchers and a rotating ice chute that allows you to blend up a trio of different drinks all at once, taking less than 10 seconds to thoroughly emulsify each 24-ounce pitcher. And each pitcher has its own controls, with 6 different settings for drinks of different textures, from mojito to smoothie. Another issue we found is that the Tahiti is quite loud, especially when all 3 blenders are running together. Number 4. Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker. Nostalgia's larger and more powerful frozen drink maker has the basic shape and layout of a blender, but its spinning blending cage has greater style holes to shave the ice into snow rather than blades to smash it into pieces. The clever setup lets this fairly compact machine handle an impressive full gallon of beverage. Frozen margaritas are delicious beachside, poolside, or otherwise outdoors, where it's typically tough to bring a blender. There's a simple switch to lock the pitcher to the base, and it's double insulated to keep the drinks frozen longer. The pitcher's locking lid has a heavy-duty carrying handle so you can tote the whole thing around even while full, and its spigot dispenser helps prevent major spills. Number 5. Margaritaville Bahamas Frozen Concoction Dual Mode Beverage Maker. Between the tendency of ice bits to fly everywhere and the sticky juices and syrups involved, making frozen drinks is a sloppy business. The Margaritaville Bahamas keeps all the ingredients under control, with an automatic ice shaving dispenser chute integrated into the lid of the blender pitcher, whose flip-up pour spout didn't miss a single drop. In a remarkably messy post-testing lab, this machine stood out as the one that really didn't spill at all. Then, the motor senses automatically how long to run. In testing, the small but mighty unit took only 35 seconds to completely pulverize a 36-ounce pitcherful. That's impressively fast, but only represents about 3 drinks. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.